Greetings from another nudist beach and lake in Vienna, Austria. Yes, this is a FKK beach here in Vienna at Panozzalacke, this small lake quite close to the Donauinsel, and another nudist beach that I'm gonna visit later at Lobau. That's called FKK Donauinsel Lobau, but also previously I have visited even nearby nudist lake Dechantlacke. So I'm on a roll with the nudist beaches today indeed, and yes, it is 29th of September 2024, and I believe it's also election day today in Austria, so I have time to come in directly for the elections. The streets were quite empty when I arrived, but to be fair, it was very early. Now it is 11:30 a.m. I have arrived around 9, and then I was exploring another lake earlier today. So now I'm in here Panozzalacke, this small lake that gives industrial feeling with the old train wagons on the other side. And now the wind is blowing even faster than before. So yes, let's first measure actually the water, how warm it is in the lake here. And on the way here I saw that some of the paths in the hiking trails was flooded because of the dangerous floods that there were in Europe 2-3 weeks back. Now it is under control, but still there are some remains of that weather. So it is 16 degrees Celsius. Yes, 16 degrees Celsius in the lake Panosa. I think that's what it's called because it has Panozzalacke, and I would say that Lacke is lake. So indeed. So cool. Then beach adventures with Chris. I'm showing you another nudist beach. This is when I put FKK on the map, this lake popped up, so it is one for sure because it is quite in the middle of the forest. There is also one restaurant over there, and there is another beach that I would assume is public, but this spot over here is definitely nudist beach spot for sure. And yes, so quite cold though, despite I am out for beach adventures. It is only 12 degrees Celsius right now. And yeah, so Panozzalacke, just around after those train wagons, it is Donau, actually New Donau, the parts of where you can swim. And I'm gonna head there later to take a swim, as there is a public beach over there, as also a nudist one as well. Alright, so let's then dive in Panozzalacke nudist beach. Let's go. I'm not really sure if I'm going to have time to explore Vienna with sightseeing, as these beach adventures are taking me a very long time, but I'm here the full day. Let's see, I think it gets dark at 7, so still I have 7 hours to go. So yes, time for my second beach adventure in Vienna, Austria, at Panozzalacke. And I think that the sun will join us shortly, so let's wait for it for the beach adventure to be complete with the sun. And here comes the sun, here comes the sun. Greetings from another nudist beach in Vienna, Austria. So let's take a swim right away. amazing. Amazing indeed. The bottom here is pebbles, and quite a small lake, this one it is. So yes, if you are into nudism and FKK, then in Vienna there are a lot of options for this, and I'm already at the second one, but I'm gonna show you more in the next episodes on my channel and my beach adventures in Vienna. So let's wrap up, as I will enjoy a bit more in this small and nice lake with very industrial feeling with the train wagons over there. So yep, that's a wrap. Greetings from Panozzalacke, from Vienna, Austria, from the 29th of September 2024, and I'm gonna see you soon again with another beach adventure on my channel, Beach Adventures with Chris.